Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jenkins pipeline for VPS deployments, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a virtual private server ready for deployment. Log into your VPS using SSH. Update your server's package list with the command sudo apt update. Install Java on your VPS, as Jenkins requires it. You can do this by running sudo apt install openjdk11jdk. Verify the installation by checking the Java version with Java version. Next, add the Jenkins repository to your server. Import the Jenkins key with the command ugetqo https://pkg.jenkins.io/debian/jenkins.io.key sudo apt-key add dash. Then, add the Jenkins repository to your sources list using echodev http://pkg.jenkins.io/debian-stable binary/sudo t/etc/app/sources.list.d/jenkins.list. After that, update your package list again. Now, install Jenkins by running sudo apt install Jenkins. Once the installation is complete, start the Jenkins service using sudo system-start Jenkins. You can enable Jenkins to start on boot with sudo system-enable Jenkins. Access Jenkins by navigating to http://your server IP 8080 in your web browser. During the first setup, Jenkins will ask for an administrator password. Retrieve it by executing sudo cat/var/lib/jenkins/secrets/initial-admin password in your terminal. Copy the password and paste it into the Jenkins setup page. Choose either to install suggested plugins or select specific plugins. Following the installation, you will create your first admin user. Fill out the required fields and click Save and Finish. Next, you will configure the Jenkins URL. The default should be fine. On the dashboard, click on New Item to create your first pipeline. Provide a name for your pipeline and select Pipeline as the type. Click OK to proceed to the pipeline configuration page. Scroll down to the pipeline section. Choose the definition type. For beginners, pipeline script is recommended. Write your pipeline script here, defining stages and steps as needed. For example, a simple script can include build and deploy stages. Save your pipeline once you have completed the script. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.